Hey, welcome back, my awesome students. So on this lecture here, I want to show you the new integration that we are going to be applying to our e-commerce website application called Stripe. Okay, so I want to show you this because this integration is one of the most popular ones out there besides PayPal, and their API is very easy to read. Their documentation is awesome, and their APIs is very easy to use. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna love this section. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how this works. I'm going to add a product just like we did before, the same process basically as before. Okay, let's just add another one here. This is gonna be 250, 350 total. If I click pay, you notice that we don't have the PayPal button anymore. We have another button there. This is going to take us to the Stripe, okay, checkout. So you can see that we're hooking into Stripe with our API, and Stripe is actually giving us some information about our company. Right here is coding faculty, the total, and each of the products price. Okay, now we're going to test this. We're going to use a, of course, fake account. I'm going to just write some fake information here that they give us so we can test our applications. Okay, and let me see what name I can come up here. Alrighty, let's click on pay. Now you can see it says processing right here. That's really nice, using probably JavaScript. Now we are redirected to our thank you page that we are going to be creating, by the way. Okay. Now we're pulling some information from their API right here, from their application, from Stripe. And you can see the name of the customer and you can see their email. Now the customer will get a receipt by email. Okay. Stripe is going to handle that. So they can click from the email and see the receipt. And they also can see their dashboard and see that that payment went through, and you can also see it if you are the business, of course. We're going to get some information in our orders page. Okay, so we're going to modify this a little bit to get a transaction from Stripe and some maybe the currency information, whatever information you want. I'm going to show you how to pull any information from them so you can put it in your e-commerce as you want. Okay, I'm just demonstrating how it's done. So reports are going to be really nice because on reports, we're going to include a little bit more information than before. We're going to put the customer name, their email, and some other stuff in here. Okay. And this is all information coming from Stripe. Now you have the choice to put this in your database if you want, but I decided just to get it from Stripe. We're going to have a print button right here. Really nice. And you can see that we can print the reports. All right. Just the little things that make a difference when you're building this type of applications. So anyway, guys, I hope you get really excited because we're going to learn a lot in the next following lectures. See you in the next ones.